Best free Shopify apps that you need. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys some of the top app niches that you should be covering in your Shopify store, as well as different application recommendations which you can use to add those features into your Shopify store. So let's get into it. Now, Shopify is a really amazing platform. However, there are certain capabilities that can only be extended so far by Shopify itself. So for that purpose, you need to integrate some apps, and these apps are pretty much necessary whenever I'm building my own stores as well. And these cover four basic items. So in those four basic items, we have product reviews, loyalty programs, customer support, and print on demand. These four features are usually integrated into all of my stores, and usually Shopify is not going to be a all-in-one tool that can help you in building these things. So for that purpose, we're going to go into settings. Once we go into settings, we're going to go into apps and sales channels. We can open up the Shopify store and take a look at some of the top applications. So going to our Shopify store over here, the first thing we need to integrate into our store is a product review application. Now, why are product reviews important? Well, whenever you have a e-commerce store, a lot of people are going to look at reviews to see whether or not a product is reliable. A lot of people might not have, used anything from your store before. They might have never tested out a product, and they need to know that this is backed up by other people. And that is why building like a parasocial relationship with influencers is like a really big thing. That's because people desire a social approval for the product that they are about to buy. So that is the reason why having product reviews is very important. Now, okay, we now understand the importance of having a product review. However, how can we insert product reviews? Well, Shopify has some amazing applications. The ones that I recommend include stamped product reviews. They have a free plan available. Also, trust reviews, judge me reviews. These three are really good. Shopify does have a default application for product reviews. However, one thing to note about that is that only allows people to insert text-based reviews. So if you want to upgrade to photo reviews, which I recommend everyone do, because photo reviews are honestly the main integral part of most people's business, because people like to see what the product is going to look like in their hands, and having a customer photo is what helps people in figuring that out. So for that purpose, adding photo and video reviews is very important, and Judge Me, trust reviews, and stamped reviews help in establishing that trust between your customer and your product. And as you guys can see, all three of these have a free plan. You can see you have unlimited review requests, photos, and videos that you can insert with their free applications. The same goes for the other two applications as well. If you take a look at trust reviews, they have a 14-day free trials. You have monthly review request emails, photo reviews, 10 processed orders, reviews import, as well as a dedicated review page on your Shopify store. And then you have stamped product reviews as well. This is something that is a bit underrated, I found, that they allow you to actually ask people for reviews 50 for 50 orders every month. You have a rating and review widget, social sharing, rich snippets, as well as over 10 different types of displaying widgets. Now, this is just one tool. The second tool that is really, really important to have in your Shopify store is a loyalty program. Now, this might vary depending on the niche of your store. However, for most businesses, I do find that having a loyalty program is going to be an important facet. So if you go on ahead and take a look at some of the top loyalty program applications, this includes Joy, Smile, Low Loyal, Loyalty Lion, Grow Wave, and other applications. The two that I recommend include Smile, Loyalty, and Rewards, as well as Loyalty Lion. Both of these are amazing tools with free plans available for you. Now, loyalty programs don't necessarily have to be in a very, very standardized sense. Your loyalty programs can also include things like a purchase every month, and then after they've consecutively purchased from you every month, you can include a freebie. And those kinds of loyalty programs, you can build upon them, and they don't have to be structured in a very traditional sense, but still it gives your customers more incentive to purchase more because they want to reach those loyalty programs, they want to reach those loyalty targets. So that can be a really important thing to have in your business. Now, You will see that for loyalty line, you have their free plan, which includes a loyalty widget, basic setup, as well as a unlimited member section. So no matter how many people are visiting your store, you can use loyalty line to build their loyalty programs, and you can create 400 monthly orders that can be included in this particular widget. Then, if you take a look at some of the other tools like Smile, Smile is also a great way to incentivize customers, and it also have a point-based program, so people can purchase from you. Every time they purchase from you, they receive certain points, and when they're about to reach a certain level, they will get a reward after collecting a certain number of points. You can also build a referral program, basic branding, and have default reward emails as well as a analytical overview. Now, moving on to our third section, we have customer support. Customer support is something that is going to save you a lot of time, because if you are doing customer support on your own, you're replying to each individual message and email, that is going to be a really difficult task. And sometimes customer support questions are not that difficult, and you can automate a lot of that. And automation with that includes AI as well. So, with the integration of AI, you really don't need to do much with customer support, and you're only going to have to answer the people that have, a really difficult question. Otherwise, you can use Tidio or the SmartBot Chat AI bot. These can help you in building a chat bot, and a lot of these are AI powered right now. They can have conversations, live chats with over 50 users at one time. Plus, with up to 100 users per month, you have online ticketing, mobile application, and social media integrations. So when people have questions like, hey, how long will delivery take? Hey, how do I return a product? Instead of you having to manually link them back to your knowledge bases, you can insert your knowledge base once in these chatbot applications, and then they will answer all of these questions and all of these queries directly. Now, moving on to the final aspect of your Shopify store, that is print on demand. Now, print on demand obviously is not necessary for everyone. This really depends on the particular niche that you are in. So, for retailers, for clothing brands, for businesses that are trying to establish their identity and their own branding, building your own merchandise can be a really great way to do so with your own logos, even if you're not a clothing brand. Having t-shirts, having tote bags, having a couple of items that have your logos can be a great way to expand your branding. And you can easily do that with two of the most popular print-on-demand services, including Printful and Printify. So both of these are amazing tools. It basically allows you to be creative with your designs without having to incur any cost in warehousing, creating the product, shipping the product. All of that is going to be handled by the print on demand service. All you do is upload your design, and when someone orders the design, it will be printed out and sent directly to the customer, and you don't have to worry about the costs or anything of that sort. So in this way, you can automate a lot of the business aspects of your Shopify store and help in building a really established brand identity. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.